Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be working on my 2009 Nissan Altima. So one of the common issues with the Nissan Infiniti vehicles is over time, the sunroof drain will get clogged up with dirt and debris, especially if you park outside under a tree. Now you don't notice that it's clogged up during the summer times because it doesn't rain. But once it rains, what happens is there's nowhere for the water to exit because it's clogged. So it causes the sunroof drain pan to just keep holding water and eventually overflow. Once the overflow happens, the water just finds its way right into the vehicle. So some clear signs that water is getting into the vehicle from the sunroof drain is that your A and C pillars will have water stains on them. And you'll notice that they're wet during really heavy rain. Another common thing is that you'll notice the carpet or a puddle around the carpet, which is another clear sign that water is getting into the car. So it just trickles right in once it starts overflowing, and it's really annoying seeing how everything is wet. Now, there's a couple ways that you could actually remedy the situation. One is you could replace the drain tube and the drain plug, and that will work for a little while until it gets clogged again with dirt and debris. The other thing is what we're going to be doing today is cleaning it. We're going to be using this brush here, which is, I think, used for cleaning refrigeration drain tubes. This will work for the sunroof drain. It fits right in there, and you could use this to break up any dirt and debris. Another thing we're going to be using is this siphon pump as well, and this will help flush out any of that dirt in the sunroof drain plug as well as within the drain tube, because breaking up the dirt isn't enough. You have to still flush out the dirt. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Let's just get to work. Here's a look at the inside of my sunroof. You can see how dirty it is, and that's with me cleaning it a few times a year. Alright, so if you notice here, this is the A pillar. Look at this marking here. That is water getting inside the vehicle. And it seems to stain this whole thing. You can even see the stain marks up here, because this whole area actually gets wet. The first thing I did was I cleaned up the sunroof while the dirt was still dry. I used a toothbrush, a small paintbrush, and my shop vac to loosen and vacuum up all the dirt. Now I'm pouring some water down the sunroof drain to 1, wet the dirt in the drain tube, and 2, to test if and how fast the water drains out. This is draining a bit slower, indicating some clogging. The drain tube is actually located behind here, so in order to remove this, you have to remove this seal here. So we're going to remove the seal, pop this off. It just clipped on. There you go. As you can see, here's the drain tube, and we are just going to be scrubbing this tube all the way down until it's clean. I've already cleaned this once before, but it's still leaking, so we're cleaning it again. As you can see, there's already some dirt right in that brush. All right, next we want to flush out that drain plug. In order to flush out the drain plug, we need to take apart the glove box, or take it out. There's 3 bolts or 3 screws on the bottom here, and then there's a few screws here, and then the glove box just pops right out. This is inside the glove box. As you can see, the tube right there, that is the sunroof drain plug. So all we have to do is just pull this line, and the plug is right here. And then we'll have to hook up the siphon pump to it and flush it out. All right, as you can see, siphon pump is hooked up right here, and we're just gonna pump water. All right, that sunroof drain is completely clear now, and it's coming out a lot faster than the water. Alright, as you can see, this tube here is actually filled up with water when I've tried to flush it a little bit from the top. So we do know this is the plug needs to be cleared, because I've been shoving the brush in there in and out, trying to clean it all out. So most of the dirt is out of there already, but the plug still needs to be flushed. I don't want to pull it yet because it's going to drip water right inside the car. I might get a bucket or something first.
All right, the driver's side one is really difficult to see and capture on camera because it's way up here. This is above the pedals, so above the e-brake pedal, and you can see there's a whole bunch of gunk trapped inside that tube. So the water is just not coming out. I have to pull it and drain it inside the car now. Yeah, this is the aftermath of all that. When I pulled the tube, it got all over me. Look at all that dirt.
There we go, the driver's side's all good now.
All right, so the rear drains are behind these panels here. So you gotta remove this, this, and this will come out. Same one on this side. That's where it is. Here's the last one.
I didn't capture this on video, but to scrub the rear drain tubes, you'll need to go from the back end. So you'll need to stick the brush into the tube from the drain plug end because you won't be able to see the drain holes from the sunroof. There you go, guys. We are done. That was a lot of work. I'm all wet and dirty from all that drain water, but the sunroof drains are all cleared out now and it's draining completely smooth. Anyways, I hope this video helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.